All right, what's up, everybody? This is gonna be a quick video. So for those of you that are still using the TextNow free data plan, the free flex plan, you can collect points and to get the hour data pass, which gives you unlimited data for an hour. But peep this out: if you're not around Wi-Fi, you need to update your apps. You can update your apps on the hourly data pass for free. But you got to have those points, and I'm gonna show you in just a second. Where you see where it says rewards, you want to tap on that, okay? And then collect points to use real rewards. So after you collect a certain amount of points, which is 240 points for the 1 hour unlimited pass, it'll pop up right here in your available reward. So this is the rewards I got available. If I want to, I could do the ad free plus for a whole week. That's worth 2,250 points. My total points is 5,000. So I already used up 240 for the hourly pass. Let me go ahead and go to the Google Play Store for you and demonstrate for you guys. Okay. So as you can see right now, it's a lot of apps, but I'm getting apps installed on the data pass for 1 hour though. I only have 1 hour to use this. Okay, so this is a quick, I wouldn't say minor update, but a quick tip or trick. If you want to use that 1 hour pass and you need to update your apps, you can use that data, that free data, to update your apps. That way you won't have to be dependent upon Wi-Fi. Okay, as you can see, it's updating it. And again, I prove to you that I am on TextNow SIM. Let me see. Go to network and internet connections. Let's see. So right here at the bottom, it says mobile data, TextNow. So that's how you know. Okay. Then right here at the top, it says TextNow. All right. So yeah, if you need to update your apps, get that free data and update your apps on the free data.